going to put some oil there. Tapos painitin natin ng oil. Syempre, ayan. Let's check if medyo char na siya. Ayan. Look, one more minute. Ayan. Let's see the ginger. Ayan. So, 1 minute and then we will put the water and then we will boil the chicken with other spices. Some more water. Then, I'll put some spices. Like, here we're putting cloves. There you are. Then, coriander. The cloves here, like this one. Sobrang bango. Then I'll put some coriander. This mixed herbs. Yeah. Mixed herbs. Then, of course, the cinnamon. Here, the cinnamon. Some cinnamon. Then, what else? We already put coriander. And then, we're going to put onion spring. And, of course, salt. More salt. And salt. And now we're going to put the chicken breast there. Okay. More water for this one, and then we'll simmer it for 1.5 hours. And so yan siya. Simmer na natin siya for 1.5 hours. Ayan po. Let it simmer for 1.5 hours. Ito na siya. Malambot na siya. Ayan o. Natatanggal na siya agad. Ayan o. Okay na siya. For plate na tayo. Assembling na ang ating Vietnamese chicken pho. Plating na tayo. So, ito gagawa tayo. Mag-assemble tayo ng Vietnamese chicken pho. Ayan. So, ito na. Ayan. So, unahin natin sa chicken. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. Then, itong mga toppings, mga ilalagay natin. Like onion. Ayan. Maliliit. Ayan. Then, ginger. Ayan. Ayan. Onion spring. Ayan, there. More onion spring. Then, syempre para maanghang konti, lagyan natin ng chili peppers. Okay. Then, ito yung broth. Let's see. Ayan. See? Ayan. Kuha tayo ng yan, ng broth. Ilalagay natin dito sa ating plating. Sa ating bowl. Ayan. Okay. One more. Wow. Yan. Yan. Sarap. Ang bango. Sobrang bango ng broth. Ayan. Then, maglalagay tayo ng rice Ayan, ito. Yeah. Yung rice noodle balls. Yan. Rice noodle balls. And then, itong ating rice noodles. Yan. Damihan natin. Yan. Then, kailangan na natin siyang isama sa ating soup. Palalambutin natin siya. At ito na ang ating damihan pa natin. Mga 2 more, 3 more. Yan. Yun o. Kuwang-kuwa ni sarap na ito. Okay. So, ito na ang ating Vietnamese chicken pho. Ayan. Look at the noodles. Ayan. Ayan. O, diba? So, Vietnamese chicken pho. Love it. Ayan o. Ayan. Calamansi or lime.